चलो अब मैंने एडवाइस तो दे दिया है एस्पिरेंट्स को, अब मैं अपना प्रिपरेशन चालू करता हूँ.
Give birth to 3 direwolf pups. But again, the company has issued a disclaimer as well. The company has stated that these 3 pups which have been publicized, they are not exactly direwolves. They are just a functional copy of something that used to be alive. The descendants of dire wolves are the grey wolves that we have today, which can be widely found in US and Canada. So by essentially taking the DNA from the dire wolf fossils which were discovered and by blending it with the genetic sequence of the grey wolves which are currently found, this hybrid byproduct has been produced by this company. So please understand, don't get misled by the sensational influencers, educators and news personalities who have wrongly claimed that dire wolves have actually been resurrected. No, that's not the case. The company, to be fair to Colossal Biosciences, even the company has issued a disclaimer stating these are only functional copies. They look something similar, slightly similar to the dire wolves, but 99% of these pups are essentially grey wolves. Most of the DNA in it comes from the current grey wolf species. Only some genetic code from the DNA obtained from the fossils of dire wolves has been introduced. So these are functional copies of the dire wolves that existed at one point. So this is not exactly a resurrection. And also it requires further scientific studies and peer review to verify the claims and the veracity of what this company is claiming. But based on this de-extinction project, which has gained a lot of global popularity since few years, this company led by Dr. George Church has raised millions and millions of dollars in funding.
बाप रे बाप, मिलियंस ऑफ फंडिंग. तो ऐसा प्रोग्राम ही है जीनोम. देखो बेसिकली अभी जो आर्टिकल पे बात हो रहा है ना गाइस, इससे आप क्या कर सकते हो कि जो भी आपका जेनेटिक्स है उसमें आप कट करके आप अपने हिसाब का बच्चा पैदा कर सकते हो. समझ रहे हो, बहुत ही रिवॉल्यूशनरी और बहुत ही अटैकिंग दोनों चीजें हो सकती हैं. बिजनेस बन जाएगा.
The end goal of this project, what will you do by reviving and resurrecting the extinct species and bringing them back? But before we understand that, let's discuss how Colossal Biosciences is working on the de-extinction project. What is the technical approach which is being adopted here? Now, if you look at the mammoth de-extinction project, or be it the dire wolf de-extinction project which is in the news, this company, as I told you, has essentially extracted DNA from the fossils which have been found. At one point, mammoths, they walked across the tundra region during the ice age.